Samsung has maintained a relatively stable design for its high-end S series, but each year brings subtle adjustments aimed at enhancing aesthetics and user comfort. The results have varied. The Galaxy S Ultra, in particular, has adopted a rectangular shape with sharp corners that, while fashionable, can be uncomfortable in the hand. Although we are still several months away from the Galaxy S25's debut, some details about this anticipated flagship have already surfaced. One of the most intriguing aspects was its design, and we now have a glimpse of what the Galaxy S25 Ultra might look like from the front. Notably, the corners are no longer the harsh 90 degrees angles that can dig into your palm. According to ICE, the S25 Ultra's design is expected to align more closely with that of the S24, featuring a flatter front and back. There may be a slight asymmetry, with the back being more rounded than the front, resulting in a softer silhouette that should feel more comfortable to hold. Hypothetical comparisons with the current Galaxy S24 Ultra and the forthcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max reveal that the new S flagship boasts rounded corners on both the frame and display, a significant change from its predecessor. However, when placed alongside the iPhone, the new Ultra still retains a distinctly rectangular appearance. Although ICE refrained from explicitly naming the device, the combination of the well-known S Pen, a recognizable design, and ICE's posting tendencies have led us to this point. We can only refer to it as a familiar shape, as there seems to be a slight redesign in the works. The render suggests a more rounded corner, especially when compared to the current version. There's not much more we can deduce from such an early leak, or is there? Let me clarify that this is purely speculative and based on a gut feeling. However, I suspect there might be a significant camera enhancement on the horizon, particularly regarding a zoom lens. The choice of a giraffe in what looks like a marketing image often indicates a shot taken from a distance. Could this be a subtle clue that the telephoto capabilities of the S25 Ultra are set for a major upgrade? I wouldn't be surprised, but we'll need to wait for more information. For now, it still appears similar until we receive more detailed 3D CAD renders to truly assess the rounded corners. So, what do you think about these new insights into the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and for more updates, check out our channel. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.